Hello everyone, old and new. This is the Hoover DYN 9164 D8PX. Today we're going to be doing Rapid 30. If you haven't actually recently followed this machine already, this machine actually does have two interesting features. This machine was actually, believe it or not, built in 2012. Then in 2015 I actually got a new board. So as you can see from the display, it is actually meant to be a Rapid 30, but it's now actually standing at a Rapid 33. Today that we're actually using surf detergent. As you can see, we're using Concentrate Blue Skies. So today we're washing at 30 degrees. Is that all dry? So I'm doing it on Rapid 33 at 30 degrees, Jan. And no options. Because it gives it like an interesting feature because it's also got the new board, Jan, now. Well, yeah, I mean every program's different.
You try to bore me to death.
No, but I do a thing like that, dear.
You're doing it now. That's not making a cup of tea.
I'll make it in a little minute. Yeah, so Dan, would that actually physically bore you today? I was actually smelling the Comfort Blue Skies. It's actually quite nice.
What?
The Comfort Blue Skies, it's quite nice. Oh yeah, did you know? Huh? Aye. There's something new out, Jan, I saw that's actually quite nice. It's one of these like stuff that you put in the machine.
Yeah, I don't put all the same thing.
Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so as you saw that we're actually down to 27 minutes.
Don't talk to me.
Oh, I'm talking to everybody on YouTube.
What?
I'm telling people on YouTube like what's happening. So yes, what's going to say to you now? Can't remember.
Why did you put that a lot in there?
Yeah, for that one it was actually just like up to its limit.
Maggie, you could have got all that in there. It's a fucking 9 kilos.
I know, but not for that wash.
You're starting to nip my head.
Now, Jan, dear, darling, ducky, behind you is extremely mucky. Well, you know what to do then. You've got to go, you've got to go.
Did I plug the shower?
Yeah, well, go. Yeah. Good. Jan, I hate to tell you, you've been gone for years. Well, that's it. That's the best way to go, Jan. Be gone for years.
I actually feel 2 stone lighter now.
Oh, you mean what 2 fluid ounces later?
Yeah, fucking I feel a bit lighter.
Good. I was speaking to someone, Jan. Oh no, I was actually reading online. You know Kate Middleton. You know, like the Princess of Cambridge. She was actually on a new diet sort of thing, and like all what she ate was actually exotic fruit.
I lose weight that way enough.
Aye, so anyway, so yeah, so why not mention that to Robert? Like, get him to like.
Fucking shit myself thin.
Well, that's the whole point. So I've done the Rapid 14 and I've done the Rapid 30 and I've done the wool wash.
How are you gonna dry this and just stick it out in the road?
Aye. Because there's plenty of heat in the sun, so by the time I'll go away tonight, then it'll probably be either a damp dry or it'll be dry.
I'll put stuff out in the road boiling at night.
Aye.
It's dark. It's light until about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night.
Oh yeah, easy.
I can leave that stuff out there. So I'll put light stuff. See, like the time between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
It'll be dry.
Oh aye. Yeah, 'cause I mean some of it in there is like quite like sort of like nylon fabric or very light cotton. So there's some other stuff which will take a little bit longer because there's like that like polymixed cotton. So that takes a lot longer to dry.
Okay, what a life.
It's a good life, isn't it?
Aye.
Mm.
Some of it's alright, some of it's not.
Keep.
Fucking shitty.
Keep Lorraine. Actually, that's something I've not had for ages. Keep Lorraine.
You've not had peace with me?
Not for ages, no.
Good for you, dude.
I know, it's good, but I just like, I think it's like, yeah, what can I get? And then it's just like, then it'll be something that's like, you always forget.
So that's like when you've been down here.
Aye, he says like, can go away for a few hours because it's just like he doesn't need me until later on anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it, keep away from your dad, Michael.
Oh, he's fine. You know what he'll be doing right now? He'll be sitting in his bed, sleeping, and he'll get woken up by the carers, then he'll get his dinner, then he'll be up for a while, and then he'll go back to sleep.
So he doesn't do?
Aye.
That's boring.
Yeah. You play with me again, are you?
Oh no, I was fixing your hood.
Oh, you fixed my hood. Ah, is that what it was? I've done an old baby with like no spin, so I need to do another one with a spin. Because my target's to go right round the clock.
Will you be here tonight doing that, Michael?
Oh yeah, I mean I won't be doing it all day, every day. I just like do it once in a bit.
Once in a blue moon.
Aye, once in a blue moon, because then it'll give like people an opportunity to actually see the difference in the new. I mean, like for example, like I filmed it all with the old programs, and then I've got to do it all again with all the new programs.
You don't have to.
Dan, it gives me something to do. It keeps me happy.
And what?
It keeps me happy. Smiling at you. Gazing lovingly.
What doing here keeps you happy?
Yeah! Well, Dan, I mean, probably rather just do sit in the same house day in, day out, and.
Well, Michael, you made your bed, pal. You had the choice.
No, what I mean is like sit in the house 24/7 and then.
I'll be doing that soon. No, didn't kid yourself. I'm so glad to get away from all the wood.
Oh, definitely. But the way that Michelle was treating you, Jan, I mean, it's like the way that she was treating you, it's like you were in a prison camp.
Can't do it to me now, though.
No.
I'm not there.
I know.
Big one for me, really. Kim said she'll miss me as well. We some did miss me. I'll miss you, she says.
Oh, there's someone waiting there, Jan, that belongs to you.
I felt like saying to her, I know you fucking
Aye. There's someone in white out there that's belonging to you.
Still got a cloth, probably.
Probably. Okay, YouTubers, so the Hoover Dynamic is actually now on to 19 minutes. No, I'm talking to people on YouTube.
You're talking to the washing machine.
I'm not talking to the washing machine, I'm telling people on YouTube that's... Jan!
What?
I'm gonna slap you good looking.
Come on then, when you're big enough.
Aye.
When you're big enough, you'll be too fucking old.
Oh, wait, Jan, you're too big now.
When you're big enough, you'll be too
Jan, you're about 13 feet tall. Eh?
I'm bigger than you, put that in. That means fucking David thinks I'm your mum.
I know, I can't believe it.
Telling her. I've seen him, didn't get me wrong, he's lovely.
Oh, he's a nice lad,
He's a
man.
nice one. He always asks for you, who's in the house? He goes, in the house, Michael, what is he?
I'm like his flipping mother.
No, I don't say it like that.
Aye. Well, you want to though at times.
I'm like Michael's beck and call, David. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I seen your bloody name. Cheek that come out your gob.
Ah, I see what you mean.
He's alright. I think I'm a small handfuls.
Yeah.
A nice person. He's got a lot of time for you though.
Oh yeah, he has.
How's
Apart.
Michael? He's alright since the last time I heard.
Yeah, Jan, it's quite funny actually. It was like,
He does ask for you all the time now.
aye. I was on the Majestic tour the other day there, right? You know, like the day of the Hibs match.
Aye.
It's actually quite funny because I was then the guy Philip, his name is miraculously not Philip down in Brighton. You see, it's,
wee dressing gown boy.
yeah, your dressing gown man.
What's he doing?
I think he's okay. I was speaking to him today actually, but I'll phone him in a bit once I've done this.
Philip's a wee sweetie pie.
Aye, I'll phone him after I've done this.
He's a wee darling.
Oh, is he now?
Oh yes.
You just wait till I tell him that.
Listen, I'm not a goodie when I see him.
Yeah. Well, Brandon's quite nice as well. I spoke to Brandon the other day there, remember, in the car.
Oh, Brandon!
That's Brandon.
Oh,
The
sexy
Brandon.
one.
You said he's got a sexy bum, did you say?
The sexy one.
Oh, the sexy one.
Aye.
Aye. Yeah, that one.
Oh, I thought I was hilarious.
Aye. He was poorless that day.
Yeah, but he's sexy.
What?
He's terrible, he's
Too bloody long, she says.
I said, do you want the honest answer? Brandon, he went, aye, too fucking. He went, you don't mean that. I went, fucking hell, you know.
Okay, so it drained out at 17 minutes.
I've known him too bloody long, Brandon. How well do you know Michael?
Ah, dear.
Been there, done it, got the t-shirt.
Oh, did you know?
Not his mum, not his auntie. Philip said to me, Philip said, you should be Michael's place. I went, listen, you don't get a scientist, you get Michael to put in his place. I'll put Michael in his place, alright. And he knows I will.
Oh, defo.
Something's still about the shop.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she'll slap me good looking, by the way. Oh, she's very violent. Like butter. Me? Would I do a thing like that? No, damn ducky.
Extremely fucking lucky.
Oh, they are actually. Oh, that's one I forgot to wash but this morning.
What, round your ears?
Yeah. Oh, I knew there was something I forgot to do.
Boggin.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Kim says that's what Kim says to Gary. You're boggin, Gary. She gets mad to join in the fun, you see.
Oh, yeah.
See, boggin. Extremely fucking mock it down.
Yeah.
And she's younger than him.
Oh, really now?
It's so funny.
Aye. Was she fit?
It's funny. This is something. She's Spanish.
Oh, aye.
I mean, she's like that.
Oh, she's a schemer, like. Oh, there's your telephone.
I'm coming.
Are you cut? Oh.
Hello. Hello, Mr. C. I'm alright. Your son's doing my heating.
No, Jan, I wouldn't do a thing like that.
He said, no, I wouldn't do a thing like that. Nah. He is. Woo. Michael, you got your card on you?
No, it's behind my bed.
No, it's not. It's behind his bed. What are you after, Mr. C? Yes. Yes. You're no brief, Mr. C.
I know, I forgot.
Listen, are you trying to Servis, man, or what?
No?
Your housekeeping's getting very, very poor, Michael.
I know, it's shocking these days.
I'm winding them up.
Aye, with a bloody key.
Oh, good. Oh, Mr. C. And what breed are you after? Are you wanting brown? Are you wanting brown bread? Are you wanting white? Oh, he's a pain in the arse, that man, isn't he?
What do you want? The multicoloured rainbow bread?
And both. Yeah.
Oh, he's wanting the both. Aye.
Yes, Mr. C. I've just spent the last half an hour boring Michael to death.
Yeah. So I'm getting my revenge back.
I asked them to take up the umbrella to bring it up. Put the cats in my bedroom. I'm going to stand in front of it naked.
Oh, Dan! Oh!
You say what's a bit or not?
You might give everybody on YouTube a cheap thrill. That'll be quite funny.
What are you laughing at, small arse? You can't get it at all.
Oh, am I?
That's really material. Give me a puss for it, a good slap.
Yeah. Well, we can do it in 13 minutes, dear.
Oh, I see you, you're a wuss.
Oh.
You're a wuss, my God.
I'll just hide in the fridge.
That's the thing now. No, the cooker's gone.
Aye, they'll ship it for the metal line. Like they get more for copper, and you get like something for like the shell.
Listen, do me a favour, Mr. C. Michael has got a cracking wash machine in the bedroom, which I think should have it in the kitchen.
Oh, I've got an extra at the moment, Jack.
Oh, he's got a cracking wash in the bedroom. Get him to put that in the kitchen and bloody well keep it there!
Yeah, well.
Because it's nice, that's a cracking washing machine, Michael.
I know, it's well that's scheduled to go next, so once I've done the next one, I'll be putting the bish bash bosh in.
Oh, bish bash.
Jan, you will bash me in a minute, so I better not say that.
Michael?
Yes, dear.
What man's asking me a question, are you keeping the boss?
I'm keeping the bosh for the now, yeah.
Yes, keep the boss for now. Just say that that's a lovely machine by you.
It's got big paddles. It's got nice big paddles, and it's got a nice like a teardrop type drum.
Lovely. I wouldn't say no to it, by the way.
You want it? I'll trade you.
We're not getting that one.
Oh, Jan.
I'll give you a swap for your
No, I'll swap you. Yeah. Well, that's an idea. I mean. Since it's got a new board in. Well, two boards actually. It's had
There's a washing machine in it. Absolute goods.
Jan, it's got plate.
I stole your money back on the dryer.
Oh yeah,
How
yeah.
much did I steal you?
I think it was what? I can't even remember how much.
How much did I make for that dryer?
I think was it not like 50? I think it was like.
I'll give you it next month's wages. You tell me how much
Aye.
I owe you.
Well, once you're back at work, 9 minutes remaining. Once you're back at work, then.
I know that in the dinner.
I think the drive was like 40, and then it was.
What dishwasher did you pick up, Michael? Is that the one that's in the kitchen now?
Aye.
That's the one that's in the kitchen now? Yeah. Aye, Michael's saying to do. Said that to him.
What's that?
Aye, Michael was saying, because the one he's got in the kitchen now, and I said to Michael, that looks a really quite expensive dishwasher. And all they said was, all it needed was a good...
A damn good clean out.
All it needed a damn good clean out. No. Oh, rubbish, Mr. C. A good clean? Aye, that's all it needed, aye. Aye! My mum swears by vinegar.
Oh yeah, yeah. Aye, that's the best way. Okay, now we've got the comfort, I forgot what it is. Oh yeah, no, it's that stain there. Aye, it is a good machine, that.
It is, Mr. C, it really is nice. That's nice. I'll tell you something.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going to keep it running into the ground.
Good man, good man, good man. Michael's doing a washing, it's what are you got to do? You want them home, you need them home, you sure, Mr. C? Very nice. Michael, remind me to give me some money, picture money for your car.
Oh, that would be great, yeah.
Alright, I'll give you something for that. Brown and a white, Mr. C, aye? Brown and a white. A brown and a white he wants.
A brown and a white. Right.
Aye, you probably will, aye. Michael, have you not got any nicer clothes than that?
Oh no, I'm quite happy with that.
I can never get Robert to get them all. He told me that, Mr. C. You know what he said? He says, I was in his car and I went, I did my dad's car and I said, well, what happened to your one then? There's somebody going out with a bucket of rubbish and tip it all over the damn place.
Aye. Yeah, it's called the councilman.
Did he?
Yeah,
Michael, you're getting sacked.
What?
You didn't clean Mrs. Galaxy properly.
Well, I did do the outside and I done the door checks.
Did you?
What?
You didn't it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Because I had to come down here.
Mr. C, don't worry, I'll get out there.
I had to come in here next, so
When are
then
you doing your car?
that'll be tomorrow.
That'll be tomorrow. Are
Tomorrow.
You sure about that?
Tomorrow.
Got all the seats up and get it all nice and cool.
Yeah, I'll get the seats down, then I'll do the backs, and I'll do the fronts, and
Michael,
I'll...
wind me up, huh?
Oh, yeah, you wind me up with that key again, and then I'll turn up on our backside, and then I'll dust underneath. Yeah.
What about him?
6 minutes remaining.
Always feed him. Always feed the git.
I like the way that you put an exclamation mark beside get.
You're a big git.
Yeah.
Oh, chuck him out anyway. I get bored of him and get chucked out anyway. I'm joking, you know.
Joe King, yeah. I know Joe King.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, he's so cool.
But see, how do you put up with him, by the way?
He doesn't he?
Does he never shut up?
Nah.
He never shut up.
Yeah, you know what he sometimes says to me, Jan? It was like, Mike, what? Oh yeah, he swears to a T.
He's great.
It's like, oh fuck.
Great. Right, Mr. C, me bother. Okay then. Aye. He's what? Breed?
Yeah.
No bread, but breed.
Yeah. So came up with a need today.
Right, Michael, you can go with the chicken, can't
Yeah, I'll go around the chip.
Darling Ducky.
Oh, I can do that in a wee bit.
And then, well, you need to go soon.
I'm going soon.
Get me my tea.
Yeah, don't you
Get
worry.
yourself, your dad's going, are you feeding him? I went, what? You've got to be joking, Mrs. C. What? Yeah, what? What do you feed him? That'll cost him.
Oh, an arm and a leg.
That'll cost him a cup of tea.
Oh, that expensive. Whoa.
Get off of there, Daddy. if you some fibre to put in the car.
Oh, Taryn.
And don't say that I don't give you anything, because I bloody well do. Right, Tom Tit.
Tom
Wait,
Tit.
hold on.
How is Tom and Tit?
Oh, I've not seen him for a while.
Have you not seen them for a while? Oh my god.
Apparently fucked off to Australia last week.
What did they?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 minutes remaining in J9.
They didn't like me. Give me a basset.
What?
He was still there, he used to see his game on that. He was laughing at me. I took him up to Dunwell, I was not to put a curtains in my bedroom. And he was pasting the floors, Mr. C. I said, but then he changed his mind and helped me look for colours. He's actually really good at that. So.
I can be when I want to. I'm surprised he didn't even wear the floor out.
Oh, sorry, Michael, was in your way?
No dear.
Oh, sorry.
You will be. Jan, you're showing your designer label at your back.
Oh, I'm actually, that's what Kim said. Oh, your label's hanging out. Hold on a minute.
Who, Kim? I take it she's very gruesome.
There's a cleaner that came into work once. And, no, that's it. No, was it? It was, I'm not late.
Uh-huh. Kim does 2 jobs. Right, yeah.
Works in the kitchen in the morning.
Uh-huh.
She's supervisor in the kitchen. She's supervisor of the cleaners at night.
Uh-huh.
She does 2 jobs. By the time she gets home, she doesn't go home till like say
7,
like
8, 9.
9 o'clock at night. She's working all day.
Aye.
This cleaner was supposed to start at 6 o'clock, no, 5 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
5 or 6 or 8 or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah.
Doesn't really job. She looked at him. He was laughing at her. And I said to him that she wanted him to go over he was laughing at him. He was poor. I'm like, what time you for this? Oh, blah, 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 blah. I forgot about the time. Blah, blah, blah. He said,
Yeah.
Kim says, you do it again. Exactly. We're not in time. She didn't go into detail of it. She was bloody hammering and going at him like.
Yeah.
She says, what time you do it? She says, Maz and the rest of them have done a whole hour of cleaning before you can start a night. It's not good enough. You better be here for the rest of the week, all on time. If not, you get your books.
Yeah.
She says, I'll get somebody else in for the job. Screwing up that much, Michael.
I can imagine.
She's got my fingers.
She's, oh, the bottom end? Oh, aye.
They're all like that. These people. I think it's a cigarette. Can't I do it?
Aye.
Oh, gosh, what's a cigarette? Horse go down, the spear goes down, just tap it off. That's the end of the war. Off the first thing. Yeah. Yeah, on the wrong side. Oh. 2 cars. I would say months. 2, aye, a month. See now? Trust me.
Oh, that's good.
Are you sure that I want to do it?
Oh yeah, I can that, and then you put the milk in it. Yeah, that was the one that passed away, wasn't it? Yeah, because you got to keep sort of like... I bet she did. Oh, aye, that'll be nice. Oh, is she?
I was asking Kim, so I want to put some flowers down for her.
Okay, thank you for watching Rapid 3033 with 30 degrees. Thank you and goodbye.